Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 7. So this module is a little bit different because we don't have any homework packet and we also don't have any book pages. So under the readings, you're going to see a list of different specialities, like in the hospital, like cardiologists, pulmonologists, things like that. That is going to be the main list that you need for this week for the vocabulary. There are also some articles like with fact sheets from the CDC, things like that. You will also need to look at those. Under the listenings, you can hear the pronunciation of the different specialities, so make sure you listen to that because you're going to need that for your speaking assignment and for the quiz. Again, the main thing to start thinking about this week and next week is the field specific project. Again, this is a project where you're going to interview someone in the medical field, in a field that you want to work in or you're already working in, and you're going to ask them, what do you do when you get a patient that doesn't speak English? What are the procedures? How do you deal with that patient? What are your strategies for communicating with someone who doesn't speak English? And then you also need that list of vocabulary words that would be useful for dealing with patients in that field. So then for the assignments, the speaking assignment, again, you're going to need that vocabulary list. And for the quiz, you need the vocabulary list plus some information from the articles. Okay, so that's it. A little bit lighter week, again, because you got to start working on your project. Make sure you have someone to interview. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.